Hey everybody, what's up? In this latest weekly tasting, we have 4 wines from the north of Spain, and I can't wait to taste them, so let's get to it. Rueda is another region that benefits from the cooling effects of elevation. Rueda is known exclusively for its white wines. The main grape here is called Verdejo, and it's named after its green skins. This wine comes from a single vineyard that was planted in 1885. The vines are so old that they only produce 1 ton per acre, and that's compared to 6 in other parts of the world. This is true old school Verdejo the way it used to be. Give it a swirl to intensify those aromas and give it a sniff. There's a creaminess here that comes from 10 months of yeast aging, and there's a strong tropical fruit element. That's bright and lemony. There's a little bit of a tannic grip on there, almost a greenness, and a really dominant character of honey. We're partnering this wine up with a gluten-free crab cake. And what's going to bind it all together is the aioli, because it has lemon, caper, and mustard in it. Nice and bright, going to bond with the acids in this wine. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Mark Supsik. Cheers.